Hi, I'm Dr. Noelle Lucas from the Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, and I decided I'm going to talk a little bit about what it means to be a fear-free certified hospital. Fear-free is a term that has been coined in our industry of veterinary medicine to really describe the experience a pet is going to have when they come into our hospital. It can be scary for our patients and our pet parents to come into a veterinary care experience because of the unknown. How's the pet going to feel when they're with us in their visit? Are we going to do things that might be uncomfortable? The answer is yes. We often are getting blood or we're getting injections, and so there's fear of discomfort for the pet, what they're going to experience when they're having those things done. And this is including for our kitty patients. So fear-free actually is a concept that incorporates the thought of maybe we need to care about this patient's emotional well-being when they're coming into our hospital. So we have actually gone through extra training and certification to learn how to help our patients deal with emotional distress when they come into a veterinary setting. And so we are actively and proactively thinking about this pretty much every day for ideally every patient that we see. When you first come into Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, if you're a new client, we often are trying to gather some potential information about your pet's experience in other veterinary settings prior to ever coming into Blue Oasis. If they've ever been to another hospital, how does that make them feel? So we want to know, were they scared to come in the front door? How were they when they were in an exam? Did they have any, elevation of stress and anxiety? We want to know some of those things before. Sometimes we can actually accommodate those patients before they even step in the door, and we can actually have maybe a quick consult with the pet parent. We can send home some calming therapy so that their experience just even coming into our hospital is different than others. If we happen to maybe not get ahead of the appointment, but our patients are already in our hospital, we're going to try to accommodate their discomfort while they're here. So if they prefer to have an examination, if it's a larger dog on the floor, we're going to get down on the floor with them. It's if a little cat that is kind of scared and needs to feel like they need to hide, we're going to put blankies and towels and things around them and over them so that they can actually hide. We are really into giving treats here. We go through so much peanut butter, squeezed cheese, cooked milk bone biscuits. Our kitties really enjoy squeezed cheese. We have little churro squeeze-ups. It's amazing how many cats really enjoy food while they're at the veterinarian as well. So it's just about trying to engage them in positive experiences while they're here. We also want the pet parent to kind of be with the pet the whole time. So we want them to be encouraging them it's okay. We want them to be comforting them. We want them to be sort of active and present in the veterinary care as well. And this even includes for us in our hospital. If we have to come into our hospital for x-rays or maybe a blood draw, or maybe they're having some dental care or even surgery, we are going to invite you as a pet parent to stay with them if you would like. Of course, we're not going to have you in the OR with us, but we're going to allow you to stay with your pet even up to the point where we take them into the OR. If you want to see dentistry and you want to be there and comfort them while they're even going under anesthesia for a procedure, we're going to allow you to do that in this hospital. That's a way that we are trying to reduce that fear and anxiety and stress that our pets feel, but also our pet parents. It's scary to have some of these things done to your pets, and we acknowledge that, and we talk you through it, and we allow you to see these things happening so that you feel better comfort that we're going above and beyond to make that a positive, or at least as gentle of an experience as we can for your pet. And if you would like to experience the way a veterinary hospital functions, that is a fear-free certified hospital, I would invite you to check out our website at www.blueoasispethospital.com, or call and talk with one of our veterinary professionals about how we are different. Thank you.